How to fix space on Twitter app. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how can you fix space on Twitter app. To fix issue with the spaces on Twitter app, you could try clearing the Twitter's cache. So you could actually go ahead and exit out of this page, and once you go to this page, you want to go ahead and long press the Twitter application. Go to this I button, and then you want to click on storage and cache, and make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your data, but if you're sure about it, you could go ahead and do that as well. After doing that, you could also try completely closing the application. That means you want to go ahead and make sure to close all of it, and you could also try reinstalling the Twitter application. That could be able to fix the issue all at once. After following these methods as well, if you're still unable to fix it, so you could actually go to your respective Play Store or an App Store, and on the search box you want to type in Twitter or type in X, and then you want to click on an update button if you see so. After updating it, so you should be able to fix it as well. If not, you could also check your internet connection. Sometimes it might be the internet connection, so go ahead and open up your settings, or you could tap or scroll down from the top and go to network and internet. Here, what next you want to do is make sure to disconnect your Wi-Fi for a couple of seconds. At the same time, turn on your flight mode, and that could be able to fix your issue all at once. If not, you could also try connecting to a VPN, or if you are already connected to a VPN, try disabling it. That should be able to fix it as well. If none of the steps work, so you could actually go ahead and contact or reach out from the app itself. So for the app, you want to log in, click the initials from the top right, and then you want to go to the settings and support and click on help center. As you go to help center, here you want to go ahead and make sure to send a feedback regarding the issue that you're facing, and they will be able to respond to you or look into your matter 24 to 48 hours later. So that's the way you could actually go ahead and fix it out. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.